In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Asana as a team for managing projects and workflows. First things first, launch your favorite web browser and head over to the Asana login page. Once you're there, you'll want to type in your email address. This is your primary credential and how Asana recognizes you within its system. After you've entered your email, go ahead and click on the Continue button. From there, simply type in your password. It should be one that's strong and secure, yet easy for you to remember. With your password ready, you can then click on the Login button, and voila, you'll find yourself on your Asana homepage. Here is where all the magic happens. On this homepage, the first thing you should consider doing is creating a team within Asana. This is your opportunity to begin organizing your work. By grouping relevant projects under a single team, you help everyone stay focused and aligned on common goals. Inviting team members into this workspace is your next task. Ensure that each individual has the appropriate access permissions, as this will dictate what they can view and edit within the platform. Moving on, it's a great idea to establish project naming conventions, task organization methods, and communication protocols. This consistency is key to maintaining clarity across all team interactions. It minimizes misunderstandings and streamlines communication, making workflows much smoother. Once your framework is set, organize work into projects. Within each project, you have options to break down tasks into more manageable subtasks or sections. This hierarchy keeps everything structured, ensuring that nothing slips through the cracks. As you lay out these tasks, assign them to specific team members. This step establishes accountability. When each person knows exactly what they're responsible for, projects progress more efficiently. It's equally important to assign deadlines to each task. Deadlines provide a clear target to aim for, helping to keep everything on track and moving towards completion in a timely manner. As tasks begin to accumulate, you might find that some take precedence over others. This is where labels, tags, or custom fields come into play. Utilize these features to prioritize tasks, ensuring that the most critical work gets done first. Finally, establish a routine of regularly updating task statuses. Providing timely feedback not only tracks progress but also sparks motivation. Open lines of communication invite collaboration and innovation, leading to greater success as a team. With these steps, your team will be set up for success in Asana. Remember that the key to effective teamwork in Asana or any platform is communication and transparency. So get started today and watch as your projects and productivity thrive.